It is great to see you all again at Wealthy Coins. Earlier this month, Amazon made Shiba Inu a $2 behemoth. Upcoming SHIB news investors were anticipating a correction before a rally, but the price of Shiba Inus has been on a downward trend for the past 2 weeks. The meme coin, however, appears to be heading in the direction of disappointing its holders, according to a vital sign. Learn how Amazon made Shiba Inus a $2 behemoth this month in this video. Aim and seize. Shib updates. If you want to see more videos like this one where we predict and analyze the prices of Shiba Inus, be sure to subscribe to our channel, share the video, and give it a thumbs up. Now, let's get the video started. The Shiba Inu price, which has been trading below the trend line since the beginning of March, is currently unable to break out above $0.00, its previous high. Meme coins return to the charts following a test of resistance at the 100-day exponential moving average is when the downtrend line was initially formed. The relative strength index, however, has been rising within the same time frame. Starting from the oversold area below 30, the indicator has been steadily rising towards the neutral line at 50, creating an upward trending line. By analyzing the market action alongside the movement of the relative strength index, RSI, a possible hidden bearish divergence might be revealed. The following few trading sessions may see a drop in the Shiba Inu price if this trend persists. As a result, the average coin value would plummet below 0.0000979 USD, the altcoin's 2-month low, breaking the important support level. The cryptocurrency's value would plummet 25% if it were to lose this support and continue falling towards its December 2022 lows. For the investors who managed to acquire almost 43 trillion SHIB tokens in a single week, this would be a devastating setback. The token supply on exchanges has decreased by more than $475,500,000. And in most cases, a decrease in the supply indicates that there's a trend towards short-term accumulation. One possible explanation for this drop is that SHIB holders are transferring their tokens to a cold wallet rather than keeping them on exchanges. Since no one observed such a decline, even after FTX's collapse 4 months ago, the likelihood of the same is low. It is unexpected that Shiba Inu owners are taking action given that the network saw its worst losses since June 2021 only last week. Even though on-chain indicates significant losses, the total value of the coins that were moved reflected losses of almost $575 million. SHIB are less than 62,000. Therefore, Shiba investors will contribute even more to the network-wide losses if the bearish divergence materializes and the price of Shiba Inu drops to its December 2022 lows. Quick and cheap transactions are the goals of the Shiba Inu protocol, according to its developers. The protocol is a Layer 2 scaling solution. Shibarium, whose beta version was released earlier this month, aims to achieve real decentralization by developing a system with low or non-existent transaction costs, according to new public documentation. The chief creator of Shibarium, Satoshi Kusama, has stated that the goal is to conduct transactions in seconds for less than pennies, and that Shibarium will offer minimum transfer costs for every product developed on the Layer 2 protocol, 1 penny. The protocol uses a wallet, a succinct token, to be better than no-map cleverness, and that Shibarium will offer minimum transactions in seconds for every product developed on the Layer 2 protocol. The goal of Shibarium, which calls itself the blockchain of the people, is to build a blockchain that is safe, transparent, and extensible so that other projects can build upon it. The blockchain makes it possible to create and trade digital assets in a safe and transparent way. Also, it's a foundation for other decentralized apps like Shibeternity, SHIB, the Metaverse SHIB, Shibio, and a plethora of other Shiba Inu projects, games, and services. So, Jeff, the burning mechanism of Shibarium is further explained in the public documentation. The technique is designed to amass a specified amount of bone Shiba swap before activating the burn mechanism. According to the text, on Shibarium, this token will pay for gas. Shibarium contract locks the basic fee when a user initiates a network transaction, and the validator receives the priority fee. 70% will be incinerated and 30% will be put aside to keep the network running. Users are able to initiate the burn process from Shibarium once they have gathered a specific amount of bone, which is $25,000. The Shiba Inu has seen a small decrease in value during the last 24 hours, trading at $0.00. On a day when the market as a whole has done very little movement, the price of Shiba Inus has fallen to 0.00001054, a decline of 0.5% in the previous 24 hours. When compared to its 30-day low of 0.0000973, its current price indicates an 8% increase. Furthermore, the meme currency has seen a remarkable 30% increase since the beginning of the year. Also, now that the Shibarium Layer 2 network's beta launch is over, SHIB is expected to continue growing in the weeks ahead, especially with the L2's full public launch. The 30-day moving average and relative strength index of SHIB have both fallen precipitously in the past few days, suggesting that the stock may start surging again shortly. Earlier this month, it hit oversold levels with an RSI of 30, but it has since climbed to $45. Also, the altcoin 30-day average is about to dip below its 200-day average, which means it's almost time for a comeback. It has failed multiple times in the previous 2 weeks to break through $0.00, a critical resistance level for SHIB at the moment. Although SHIB will likely necessitate a rebound from the broader market, at the same time, further advances are expected to follow if it can break through this level firmly. Still, the Layer 2 network's complete public launch, along with Shibarium's continuing expansion, it's now live in beta, might lead to additional gains for the token in the near future. Shibarium has two main reasons to be bullish. One is economic and the other is technical. To start, Shibarium's capacity will increase and transaction fees will decrease thanks to the Layer 2 network, which will also improve decentralization and security. So, secondly, the burn rate of Shiba Inus will accelerate with the launch of the L2 as 70% of the base transaction fee will be destroyed. Basically, the supply of SHIB will be reduced due to Shibarium, which will increase relative demand and the price of the currency. A greater number of people will utilize the Shiba Inu ecosystem and its applications as a result of Shibarium's efficiency improvements, which will increase the number of burns and have a favorable effect on the price of SHIB. We may thus see SHIB's price rise gradually during the year, with the debut of SHIB, the metaverse likely playing a role. In the second, players can buy, explore, and trade 100595 NFT-based territories and a plethora of in-game goods in a virtual environment with a Shiba Inu motif. According to its official website, the platform is described as a hybrid of business and gaming, and its developers have lofty goals for it. In conjunction with Shibarium, it may signal a tremendous surge in demand for SHIB, causing it to progress through the levels into new heights. And by itself, Shibarium is anticipated to drive Shibare to 0.000015 and 0.000002 USD. But with the entrance of Shibare in the metaverse, it might reach much greater values, like $0.000005 by the end of 2023. Reports indicate that the internet giant is preparing to debut its new effort next month, and many are eagerly anticipating Amazon's entry into the NFT and Web3 area. Approximately